Welcome back to FD Auto. This is not just a car, this is Ferrari pushing engineering to the edge. Meet the all-new Ferrari F80. And if you love future hypercars and real performance stories, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's begin. The Ferrari F80 stands at the very top of Ferrari's lineup as its next-generation flagship hypercar. Built to succeed legendary models like the LaFerrari, the F80 is designed with one clear mission: deliver race car technology in a road-legal form. This is Ferrari's vision of the future faster, smarter, and more extreme than ever before. At the heart of the Ferrari F80 is an advanced hybrid powertrain inspired directly by Formula One. A high-revving twin-turbo V6 engine works alongside powerful electric motors to produce over 1,000 horsepower. This setup allows the F80 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, while maintaining incredible control and efficiency. Power is distributed to all four wheels, giving the car explosive traction and razor-sharp response. The exterior design of the Ferrari F80 is bold, aggressive, and highly aerodynamic. Every line serves a purpose. Large air intakes, sculpted body panels, and active aerodynamic elements work together to generate massive downforce at high speeds. The low stance and wide body give the F80 a commanding presence, making it look more like a race car than a traditional road vehicle. Step inside, and the Ferrari F80 feels focused and purposeful. The cabin is built around the driver, with a minimalist layout that reduces distractions. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium materials dominate the interior, while a fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data. The steering wheel is packed with controls, inspired by Ferrari's Formula One cars, allowing the driver to adjust settings without taking their hands off the wheel. Despite its extreme nature, the Ferrari F80 still offers modern technology. Advanced driver assistance systems, customizable driving modes, and intelligent energy management ensure that the car is not only fast, but also usable on real roads. Ferrari has carefully balanced performance with control, making the F80 as confidence-inspiring as it is thrilling. With very limited production numbers, the Ferrari F80 is built for a select group of owners. It is not just a hypercar, but a symbol of innovation, exclusivity, and Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection. The Ferrari F80 is more than speed. It is the future of Ferrari, shaped by racing, driven by passion, and engineered without compromise.